I try when a person comes in, I usually go to the person that came in first. And I'll say, well, what is your name? I'm Rosemary. And as I'm talking to the family, I am looking at him. That shows respect. He needs respect. He's going through more than your mind will ever understand. So don't talk down to him and don't talk about him in front of other people. He'll pick up enough of what you're saying that that will make him uncomfortable. So those are some things you just do not do. You do not talk down to people. Also, I had a lady, I heard one was talking, and her husband had dementia, and she said, here, just eat one more teaspoon. Hell's bells, he's an adult. What's a half a teaspoon or a teaspoon more going to do for him? You're treating him like a child. You don't need to do that. Treat him as an adult. Put his food there for him. Make it so he likes it. Don't give so much at one time. But don't sit there and spoon feed him and talk him into another spoon. That's treating him as like a baby. It makes his self-worth go way, 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 way down. You don't need to do that. That makes me angry when I see that. I'm going to talk a little bit about now validation therapies, things that you can do. When you get into his world and you be in his world, that's called validation. Long ago, validation therapy meant today is March 1st, it is Wednesday, it is 1989. They would do that all the time. Well, we know now you can tell them that all the time, and they're not going to remember. They can't make that memory, so that's foolishness. They did it for years. But now, validation therapy is turntables. It means that you're going to get into his world, you're going to validate what he's saying. If he says that, you know, my mother was a beautiful a woman, you can, yes, she really was. You can get into that world with him. Look for it, you'll see it. So validation therapy is exactly what we have been doing, and that's people who work in this field and communications and speech therapy, that's one of the things that they say.